Imagine this. You're 65, retired, and you've built a $5 million nest egg after decades of smart decisions, hard work, and sacrifice. You've made it. But now, you're scared. Not because you did anything wrong, because everything else is going wrong. Inflation is eating away at your buying power. The national debt just passed $35 trillion, and in a single week, regional banks lost over $100 billion in deposits. And then there's this headline: the Fed warns of higher for longer interest rates, and markets shudder. That's not some random article. That's your future. Because if the economy tanks, or if your dollar weakens any further, your $5 million could feel like $2 million in a heartbeat. But that's not what happened to Jim and Susan from Scottsdale, Arizona. They were in your shoes, worried about market instability and silently asking themselves, how do we protect everything we've worked for? They didn't just sit on their hands. They moved. They shifted $1.15 million from their traditional IRA into a gold IRA, diversifying their retirement and locking in real physical value. And it started with something as simple as this: a free gold IRA guide. Now, before I explain how gold IRAs work, let's be honest. You've probably heard about gold before and thought, isn't that for doomsday preppers? No, it's for real people who've spent a lifetime building something they refuse to lose. Here's the reality. Traditional retirement accounts are tied to Wall Street, which means when the market crashes, your future goes down with it. But gold IRAs, they don't move like the stock market. When everything else goes south, gold historically holds or climbs. During the 2008 crisis, the S&P 500 plummeted by 56%. Gold, it rose by over 25%. That's not a gimmick. That's a hedge. Jim and Susan understood that. They weren't trying to beat the market. They were trying to protect their family's legacy. And here's the best part. They didn't get pitched. They weren't lured by some free silver coin scheme or pressured by sales reps. They took the free guide. They got a quick, no-pressure call. They asked their questions. And they made a decision that gave them peace of mind. And if you're sitting on $100K or more in a 401k or IRA, you can do the exact same thing. Ask yourself this: would you rather watch your wealth erode while Washington plays politics with your money? Or would you rather act like the CEO of your retirement and protect what you built? You've got options, but you don't have forever. Just like Jim and Susan, it starts with a free guide, not a commitment, not a sales pitch, just a conversation. So take the 30 seconds, get the free guide, book the no obligation call. We'll walk you through exactly how a gold IRA works, what the risks are, and whether it's right for you. You work too hard to leave your future exposed. And this isn't just about your retirement. It's about what you leave behind. Your kids, your grandkids, the legacy of a life well lived and well protected. This is your moment to act like it. Click below, grab your guide, talk to someone who understands your goals. No gimmicks, no pressure, just answers. Because $5 million deserves more than hope. It deserves protection.